The weather proved treacherous. After months of heat and drought, the night of November 26th saw a dreadful thunderstorm and torrential rain, followed next day by a sharp freeze and a snowstorm. Herbert Cecil Alger recorded the events in his diary. Last night, we had had the worst trip that I've ever had in my life. It rained and thundered and lightning without cease.
1912, the year my brother and I played war in the garden.
I got you.
No you didn't!
Yes, I did.
Got you that time, didn't I?
Later did we soon know it would become reality.
Next!
I can't believe that we're finally doing this. Ever since we were children, me and my brother used to play soldiers in the garden, and to think that we've gone from playing in the garden to actually signing up to be a soldier, well, it's incredible. We had to go in the front line of trenches and try to keep a bit of trench up, for a lot of the trench washed right away.
That there is my brother. I always looked up to him, and now I was following him into war. And that young lad there is me. I remember feeling excited but fearful of what lay before us. That's Private Evans. He was very seasick and was dreading the journey to Gallipoli.
We were up to our waists in mud and water in some places, and it was my luck to be in one of those places. Awful snowstorms and frost during the night, and all of this day. Trench fallen. I'm busy fitting it up again. Good job too, as it keeps our circulation going.
Gallipoli. Not a lot of water. Not a lot of fighting. Not a lot of food. Not a lot of anything really, until it rained.
And it rained.
And it poured.
And it rained some more.
And it poured some more.
My feet are soaking.
My legs are soaking.
This water's up to my waist!
My hands are drenched.
Help me keep these sandbags in place.
Dreadfully cold I am. Our men are going off to hospital in scores. I'm very nigh frozen myself, especially my poor feet.
November 28th.
What's that?
Snow?
But it's only November.
It's just a flurry. It'll pass.
It's not passing!
It's getting worse.
It's like a blizzard!
It's getting colder!
Like 1908 when snow covered the barns.
Yeah, but at least back then we were nice and warm, around a nice fire.
I want to be back home with Mum and Dad around the fire now.
Me too, bro.
Let's go, keep moving.
Oh,
Come on, we need to keep going.
I can't, I need to stop, please, my feet.
No, we
keep
need to
going.
keep moving, come on.
We can't leave
Just
it.
go on
We
without
need to keep
staying.
going.
I'll keep watch.
No.
Bang!
Keep your head up. No, where is it?
And like that, they were gone. Only two of us would return home.